Studies reveal that clients who pay premium prices are 60% more likely to fully implement what they learn and get better results than those who choose the cheapest option. Mm. So, in our 10K workshop, How to Enroll More Clients, we are going to be working on your pricing strategy. Did you like the exercise in video number one? So yes, this is DeKesha Williams, your webinar and business strategist and your host for the upcoming workshop, How to Enroll More Clients into your signature offer. And on day one, I believe day one, we're going to be talking about pricing. So when I first started in this digital marketing space, you'll find out that I created a course called Webinar Success Blueprint. And when I created this course, I'm gonna be honest with you, the first time I created this course was $35 a week. And some of my tribe members are still rocking with me, so they can tell you that this course was $35 and not anymore. All right. And then when we finally put together a infrastructure for launching, the program was $697 and we had an upsell for $1497. And so we'll talk a little bit about how to price different things. But here's what I want you to understand. Pricing is based on the transformation that you provide. It's not based on your comfort level. Nugget. And if you're ready for some more nuggets, make sure that you show up on day one and day two, ready to play full out, cameras on. For our upcoming workshop, I'm just trying to think what else do you need to be ready. I mean, of course, a notebook, quiet place, minimal distractions, but I get it. Life happens. And so you should have by now scheduled a acceleration call with myself. It gives me the opportunity to make sure that this is the best suited space for you. I know that I'm giving my time, but I don't want to waste your time. So I encourage you, if you haven't, to go ahead and schedule that acceleration call. I'll make sure that there's a link so that you can go ahead and book it. And then when you get on that call, it's really a short call, like maybe 20, 30 minutes at max, just depends. But it really, again, it helps me determine where you are in business, if this workshop is worth you sitting in. But based on the content on day one, day two, it's really beneficial, to be quite honest with you. We're going to be talking about the 12-week launch strategy that I use in order to have my very first 10K launch. Anything I teach has to have generated a minimum of 10K in my business and or for clients. If it doesn't, I don't teach it. All right. And then I'm going to be sharing with you how I took that model, the course launch model, and then incorporated it into a program that helped generate recurring revenue. Someone say recurring revenue. Would you like to have a business where you can look at your payment processing and you can expect how much money is going to be deposited into your account on a regular basis? Yes or yes. If you say yes, make sure that you show up for the next workshop and where you're going to learn, I'm going to be teaching you how to enroll, how to get butts in seats. And so I'm not going to teach you anything that I don't currently do or doing for clients in my business. All right. As a matter of fact, I'm going to walk you through how to market your upcoming webinar workshop. I just changed the whole content, but I'm write that down. All right. So again, this is DeKesha Williams, your webinar and business strategist. Wanting to make sure that you show up, get your butt in the virtual seat for our upcoming workshop. I'm serious. You are not going to regret showing up and playing full out. All right. Be passionate, be purposeful, but more importantly, be profitable. I'll see you next time.